Business. You need to understand how to get started in your business. And we're going to talk ground level. What is the first step to starting a business? What do you even do? Number one thing you want to do when you want to be an entrepreneur, when you want to start a business, set up your entity. And let's talk about just why you should even set up an entity, why you should get that started, and what you should even do. Number one, set up an LLC. You should do everything you do in your business, and honestly, for the rest of your life, do everything under the umbrella of an LLC. LLC is really just an entity that's set up that just states the type of business you're in. It's just a limited liability corporation. Okay, that's all it means. And it provides protection for you. It provides tax benefits for you. There are so many reasons why you should have an LLC, but just start out, number one, taxes. The Constitution of the United States, everything we do here in this country was written to benefit the business owner and also the landowner. But we're talking about business right now. Every tax benefit out there is structured to benefit a business owner. So if you're doing things as an employee, or if you have ever filled out a W-9 form to become a 1099 private contractor, and you filled that out with your own social security number, you are really screwing yourself over royally. You should always fill that out. You should always do everything you can under the umbrella of your business. When you fill out that W-9 and become a private contractor, there's an option there to fill it out with your EIN number. Your EIN number is your social security number to your business, and you can actually apply for credit cards, apply for loans, set up your 1099 under your EIN. It is basically your tax ID number for you and your business. So when you sign up for a W-9 or anything like that, you should do it under your LLC, your EIN number, and then you have all the tax benefits of the world. And then every bit of money that comes in is revenue for your business, and you can now structure your money however you want to. You can then write things off. You can track all your expenses for your business. There are a ton of benefits that you can do once you have your LLC set up, and that is how you start your business just from the start, just from the get. Now, the first thing you need to understand about setting up an LLC, and the first thing you need to do once you set up that LLC, is you then need to go to the bank. I recommend Chase Bank, and you go set up a business checking account. This is different than a normal checking account, a personal checking account. You will need to go into your bank and say, I want to set up a business checking account. This business checking account is your business account that you should have all of your money get sent to. Once you get paid as a private contractor or whatever you do, you have it come towards your business checking account, and that is your business revenue that's coming in. You have to set up your business checking account first and foremost, first thing you do. Now, why an LLC? Why shouldn't you just go get a sole proprietorship or an S corp? These are just different tax strategies. These are just different corporation types that you really, honestly, if you're a young entrepreneur just starting your business, don't need to worry about too much. And I am not a CPA, so this is not financial advice. Consult with your CPA on whatever you want to do. But in my opinion, just set up an LLC. Set up a single member LLC. Get your business started. Don't worry about whether it's sole proprietorship or S corp. If you really want to dive deep into that, then go get a tax strategist or a CPA who can help you structure it the right way. But if you're just starting out right off the bat, don't worry about all these other things. Just get an LLC and get yourself started. Get your business checking account going, and now you're past at least the first steps of setting up your business.